Welcome to Libertex. Sit tight and strap in because in this video, we'll be revealing our top 3 altcoins for May: Bitcoin Cash, Compound, and Maker. Over the last month, the crypto market has been on fire, and these 3 altcoins not only have exciting breakthroughs to look forward to in the month of May and beyond, but from a technical standpoint, are showing serious potential for more room to run. Some crypto assets still need to prove themselves after the big run-up the market has experienced, but these 3 altcoins may still be good considerations for buyers at the current levels with where we are going into May. Make sure to stay until the end of this video for a look into the charts and technical setup for each of these 3 altcoins. And if you're interested in trading crypto, the biggest movements in the stock market, in addition to assets like gold and oil, make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss a beat with weekly videos on each of these topics, and hit that like button to help support our growth and continuing to uncover, breaking down the most important developments from inside the markets. So without further ado, let's get started with the top 3 altcoins for May. The first crypto asset that is showing great potential for May is Bitcoin Cash, also known as BCH. Up over 60% since the start of April, currently trading around $890, Bitcoin Cash has been on an absolute tear, breaking past $1,000 on April 16th. Since Bitcoin Cash is still a long way from its original all-time highs back in December of 2017, when it hit $3,720, with the way the crypto market is cementing itself as a sustainable investment recently, there is certainly potential to see Bitcoin Cash at these levels in the not-so-distant future. Bitcoin Cash was launched back in 2017, after the Bitcoin project and its community split over Bitcoin scalability. The result was a hard fork, which resulted in the creation of a separate crypto asset, Bitcoin Cash. The goal of Bitcoin Cash is to increase the scalability of the global payment system by having a significantly broader block size of 32 megabytes compared to Bitcoin's 1 megabyte. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin Cash on the technical chart to see how it has been trading and assess the bull trend it's been on as we gear towards May. Now taking a look at Bitcoin Cash in the Libertex terminal, we can see the nice run it's had over the past months. Just looking at the 3-month, similar to Bitcoin, one of the most attractive features about Bitcoin Cash is its limited market supply with 21 million coins that will likely get more and more scarce in the long run. We got a very nice move back to the upside in mid-April, which did lead to some profit taking, ultimately bringing us to the current levels. And already we can make out a bullish formation Bitcoin Cash is going on, which could see it retesting some of these levels and making headway back up for the month of May, should this trend continue. It seems that since April 26, Bitcoin Cash has been on a recovery rally. So in order for this trend to continue, Bitcoin Cash will need to stay above the significant support level at around 775. A break below this will indicate that there is still a decent amount of sellers in the market. So a more immediate level of support that could indicate whether this more critical area at 775 could come into play can be found right around 815. So for a move back to the upside, the next area of significant resistance for Bitcoin Cash to get back up to recent highs above $1,000 is at the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of $950. So following that, Bitcoin Cash will have its sights set on the $1,000 level and then on to recent highs around $1,200 and hopefully beyond. So looking at the overall trend, Bitcoin Cash could be promising for holders looking at the long-term prospect of the crypto market, especially for assets tied to the most recognizable cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin. Our number 2 altcoin for May is none other than Compound, also known as COMP. Comp is currently trading above 45% higher than where it started in April, and is now hovering around the $670 level at the time of this recording. Comp has a circulating supply of slightly over 5 million coins, with a max supply of 10 million, indicating that over half of the supply is currently in circulation. Crypto assets with limited supply have more potential to realize price gains compared to assets that have unlimited supply, like Dogecoin, for example. Because of this, comp is on the pricier side relative to other altcoins, but due to the supply and demand factor, has potential for more growth ahead. Since launching in 2018, Compound has solidified itself as one of the most cutting-edge DeFi protocols operating on the Ethereum network, providing the ability for traders to earn interest on their crypto holding by depositing them on several pools provided by the Compound platform. The popularity of this has grown exponentially recently, and Compound has now proven over $800 million in total locked value. Let's take a look at how Compound has been trading to see what levels we can expect as traders for the month ahead. So here we are once again in Libertex looking at the technical chart for Comp, and it's clear that we are now at the highest levels we've ever seen for the asset. At the moment, Comp has broken through uncharted territory and is now at new all-time highs. There are a number of analysts predicting that Comp will break past $1,000 before the end of the year, and if Comp can hold above resistance turn support at around 590 right here without serious profit taking, May could be a very nice month for this asset. Entering the new year, we can see that Comp was trading at just around $150, so the gains have been absolutely phenomenal for supporters of this asset, and new all-time highs are always welcomed, especially at the rate which we've experienced with Comp itself. The nearest channel of resistance for Comp will show itself right around the $688 level, and then onwards to $700, which could be a possible point of profit taking. So if Comp manages to hold at these levels, there may well be enough support to continue the bull rally throughout the month of May. If you are trading Comp this month, make sure to keep in mind the nearest levels of support at around 590 and then at around 530, the area from which the new breakout was formed. This could be a place to consider setting stop losses if only trading Comp for the short term. Our third and final top altcoin for May is none other than Maker. From around $545 at the start of the year, Maker has rallied to over $4,900, breaking new highs just weeks ago in mid-April. The market has experienced a bit of a pullback, but some traders are seeing this as a place to average into the asset, predicting a continuation of the serious run-up for May and throughout the rest of the year. Why is Maker so expensive? For starters, Maker currently has a circulating supply of around 995,000 coins, with an available supply of just over 1,005,577 coins. Fully launched in 2017, Maker was initially a project set to operate DAI, D-A-I, a community-managed decentralized cryptocurrency with a valuation pegged to the US dollar. Now, DAI is one of the most popular stablecoins, or cryptocurrencies pegged to the US dollar, and the advantage for Maker holders is that they have voting rights on the direction of the DAI project, as well as the governance and direction of Maker itself. Let's take a look at the charts to see how Maker has been trading recently. And we're now looking at our third favorite altcoin pick for May, Maker. DeFi coins are all the rage these days, and when we look at the charts for Maker, the run has been absolutely insane. From the start of the year, we are witnessing a nearly 3,000% return on investment, which is almost unheard of. Due to the limited supply, many traders feel the coin could just be getting started. In order to get to even higher ground, Maker will need to hold above $4,000 to put more traditional traders at ease after such an extensive and fast rally to current levels. In order to get to 5,000, Maker will need to break past highs seen recently at around 4,650 and then the $4,900 level before pushing onwards into 5,000 and beyond. So some predictions for Maker by the end of the year go from $5,000 to $10,000, but the big thing when assessing this coin is if the run-up can sustain itself. With where we are going into May, the coin is showing some serious promise. So there you have it, the top 3 altcoins for May of 2021. What are your thoughts on Bitcoin Cash, Compound, and Maker? Let us know if you'd trade these assets at the current levels, and leave a comment with your own price predictions. And if you're considering trading any of these 3 altcoins, as well as a wide selection of some of the other top crypto assets, you can do so easily with Libertex. Simply head over to libertex.com or via the links in the description and start trading today without hassle. We hope you enjoyed this video on some of the top 3 altcoins for May, and to support more of the latest content from all corners of the markets and beyond, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay sharp in your trading. We look forward to seeing you next time and wish you a great month in your trades.